Close your eyes. Imagine stepping into a bath that doesn't just fill with water, but fills the room with light, with sound, and with a sense of tranquility you thought was reserved for luxury hotels. For years, the Alcove Bathtub has been the boring, utilitarian corner of the bathroom. But that is all about to change. The models arriving in 2026 are redefining the space, integrating technology and design in ways that will make your bathroom the ultimate retreat. All links to transform your home are in the description. Let's dive in. Number 1. KOHLER K1118RA0 Expanse. Expanse provides a luxurious bathing experience in a compact, space-saving design that's ideal for smaller bathrooms. A curved basin and integral apron lend graceful elegance to your bathroom and provide plenty of extra room to stretch out and soak. Expanse's standard size makes for easy updating and renovation, while its modern style coordinates with a variety of bathroom fixtures. Number 2. KOHLER 848-0 Bellwether 66 inches by 32 inches. An update of a bestseller, Bellwether features a clean, contemporary design and a popular, industry-standard size. Its integral apron simplifies alcove installation, while a low step-over threshold allows for comfortable entry and exit. Bellwether's wide ledges provide storage space for towels, toiletries, and other items. Crafted from enameled cast iron, this bath offers years of reliable performance. Number 3. PROFLO PFS 6042 LSK Hillsboro 60 inches by 42 inches. Commercial and residential use, this product is backed by PROFLO's 5-year warranty for residential applications, ensuring long-lasting quality and performance, along with a 1-year warranty for commercial use. This dual warranty coverage provides peace of mind for both home and business owners. Acrylic construction, the soaking bathtub is made from high-quality acrylic. This material not only helps to retain heat longer, allowing for a more enjoyable and warm bathing experience, but it is also designed for easy cleaning. The smooth surface resists stains and is easy to maintain, ensuring the tub looks new for years. Soaking bathtub experience, this bathtub is specifically designed for soaking. Its deep basin offers a calming and tranquil bathing experience, encouraging relaxation and stress relief. Whether you want to unwind after a long day or enjoy a spa-like experience at home, this bathtub is an ideal choice. Number 4. American Standard 2,461,002.020. A durable, lightweight and less costly alternative to cast iron, the Cambridge Apron Front AmeriCast soaking bathtub from American Standard invites relaxation. The exclusive AmeriCast technology incorporates a glossy enamel top layer that's easy to clean, a steel center for strength, and a thick, insulating layer to keep water warmer for a longer, more enjoyable bath. Crafted for bathing comfort and safety, this traditional tub has a beveled headrest, contoured lumbar support and a slip-resistant floor surface. And that is how you turn 3 standard walls into a personal wellness sanctuary. From Chromatherapy to built-in steam, your daily soak will never be the same again. If you're ready to create your own spa experience, every single bathtub we showcased is linked for you in the description below. If this video made you look at your bathroom in a whole new light, support the channel, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who deserves a better bath, and subscribe for more guides to the future of home luxury. Now, go run a bath.